The much-awaited UPSSSC Vacancy 2025 is finally here, bringing incredible opportunities for aspiring candidates like you. Don't miss this golden chance to achieve your dream government job. This is more than just a job opening. It's your gateway to a respected and secure position within the Uttar Pradesh government. We know how important this is for your career aspirations. This video is designed to empower you with all the essential information. Navigating the online application process can seem daunting, but we've got you covered. We'll guide you step by step on how to apply online, ensuring you complete everything correctly. We'll also break down the complete eligibility details so you know exactly what's required. Mark your calendars. We'll highlight all the important dates you need to remember, from application deadlines to exam schedules. Furthermore, get a clear, concise overview of the full selection process, helping you prepare for every stage with confidence. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Hit the like button if you're excited, subscribe to our channel for more crucial updates, and share this video with fellow aspirants. Leave a comment below with your questions, and let's conquer UPSSSC 2025 together.